Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. In this COVID-19 crisis, all the pubs, clubs and restaurants have basically been closed, so I'm going to cook a meal at home instead of going out. So I got this book from my trip to Mauritius last year with Mauritian Cooking. So I'm going to make some vegetable koftas and for dessert some carrot halwa. So you need a big onion for the curry and a small onion for the sauce, both chopped up. Got half a cauliflower, tablespoon of green coriander, 4 tablespoons of chickpea flour. I've just got ordinary wholemeal flour there because that's all I could get. Bit of salt. I add pepper later. Clove of garlic. I've got the pre-crushed variety. Cup of yogurt. 10 grams of ginger. 3 cardamoms. 3 cloves, bit of chili powder and some ground cinnamon, about a teaspoon of each. Let's get cooking. First thing you want to do is boil the cauliflower for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just drain the cauliflower, mash it up. Now add the onion, chopped coriander and some salt and pepper. Once you've done that, just add the flour. You've got to mix it up and shape all this mixture into balls. So I managed to make 8 balls out of here. So you just got to fry them with some oil until they change to a golden colour. Unfortunately my balls have all crumbled up, maybe because I didn't use chickpea flour, but I'm just going to stir fry this sort of mash up. While that's going on, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in another pan for the sauce. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the onion there. You want to stir fry that for a bit. And you want to add the spices and stir fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the yogurt and stir it until the water evaporates. So I've got the rice on there cooking as well, don't forget to do that. Once the balls are done, put them on some paper towel to drain and try and make them back into balls again. See how I go. Once it's thickened, just add a glass of water and then let it reduce again. So after 10 minutes, you just need to simmer the sauce with the balls in it for another 5 minutes and then you're done. Managed to reform it into balls again. Let's see how I go. There's the end result. My balls are still a bit crumbly, but it's my first go doing it. If I do it again, I'll try and get the chickpea flour, but it's just really hard to get flour at the moment. Flour, pasta, rice, toilet paper, all of that's just sold out at the shops. Anyway, give myself a bon appetit. So I've got all the ingredients here. 500 grams of grated carrot, 1 litre of milk, 50 grams butter, 170 grams of sugar. It says 2 tablespoons of raisins, but I've only got dried cranberries, so with this COVID situation you can't get everything in the shop, so I have to make do. So I've got my cranberries instead of raisins, and 1 tablespoon of ground almond meal, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. So I've got the milk and the carrots here on high heat. I'm going to bring that to the boil and then let it simmer and turn the heat down once it's boiling, and let half the liquid evaporate. Once half the liquid's evaporated, put in all the sugar and keep stirring until all the liquid has evaporated. The liquid's almost evaporated, just a little bit longer. But the liquid's pretty much gone. So you can add the raisins. In my case, I've got cranberries. The ground almond. And the butter. And you want to cook this for 20 minutes. Stirring constantly. It's been 20 minutes now, just got to sprinkle in the cardamom. Mix that in. It's almost ready to serve. Then all you've got to do is put it in a dish that's been brushed with some butter. You can either serve it hot or cold. Here's a finished dessert. Just got to put some almond slivers on the top. So I hope you enjoyed that cooking episode. It is environmentally sensible to eat in, so you're not travelling to another place, using your own cutlery and crockery and washing that up. There's no sort of single-use takeaway containers or anything like that. So it makes more sense, especially in this COVID-19 situation. You've got to stay at home anyway. So you've got to sort of eat in all the time. So don't forget to like and subscribe to ecopenny, click the bell, and we'll see you next time.